everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to adjust and monitor the refresh rate on the Poco X7 Pro. This is super useful if you want smoother animations or better battery life depending on your needs. Okay, let's get started. First, just open settings and then go to display and brightness. This one, just tap on it. And then just tap on refresh rate, this one, and here you will see two options, default and custom. Default options will let the system automatically switch refresh rates depending on the situations, and then balancing smoothness and battery. And then custom modes will let you take control, and on the Poco X7 Pro you can set it to 60 Hz for better battery efficiency or 120 Hz for super smooth scrolling and animations. And if you like certain apps to always run at high refresh rate, just tap on apps using high refresh, this one. And from here, you can pick which apps that should keep a stable refresh rate that you have chosen. Just pick the apps that you want and then just turn it on. And now let's add one more trick, how to monitor the actual refresh rate on your screen. First, you need to activate developer options. To do this, just go to settings, just go to about phone, this one, and then tap on detailed info and specs, and then just tap on OS versions about 7 times, like this. And you will see a message that developer options are now enabled. Next, just go back and search for refresh rate in the settings search bar in here. And then just choose show refresh rate, this one. And then just turn it on, like this. And then the current refresh rate will appear at the top left corner. And then keep in mind, during this screen recording, this refresh rates number might not show up in the video, but on your phone you will clearly see the refresh rate changing as you switch between apps. And okay, that's it. Now you know how to adjust, customize, and even monitor the refresh rates on your Poco 7 Pro. This way you can choose between smooth performance or better battery life depending on your needs. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!